Yo, what is up, everybody? We're back again. It's Friday, January 23rd, I think, or 24th. I don't even know. Something like that. It's like 7:30 a.m. right now. Um, I woke up at around 7. I've been up. I just been really just been sitting around procrastinating. Like, damn, bro, do I even want to get up right now? But I just said, fuck it. I just had to just jump out the bed. Just be like, damn. Grab me a water bottle, start the day. So yeah, like I said, it's 7:30. So we'll hit the markets around 8:30. Right now, my plan is I'm gonna go spend some time. I already woke up, I prayed and everything. I'm gonna go read the Bible. Uh, after I read the Bible, take some time, read this book real quick, get a little bit of reading done. Might journal for a second. Actually, I'm thinking about it. Might go journal for a second. Um, go make myself some breakfast, and then after that, I'll probably go sit on my computer, start to get my day started up a little bit, warm up to the charts a little bit, might back test for about 10-15 minutes before market opens. Then we're in the game. Start from there. Jump right in. So uh also today, I'm also gonna post another market recap because, like I said, I'm gonna do those every day with these trading journals. I'm gonna also be posting like the market recaps just so y'all can see exactly what I was looking at throughout the day and what I was thinking. Um, in like a separate type of video, like a directly just strictly trading type of video, because these kind of like involve a little bit more of like what's going on with my life too, on top of the trading aspect. So yeah, I'm also be posting those little like market recap videos also. Um but yeah, so I'm gonna get back with y'all at about 8:30 whenever it's time for me to sit down at the computer, start actually trading and everything. I'll hit y'all back up then. Until then, see y'all later. Yo, what is up, everybody? You know, we're back at the charts right now. Um, fuck, I want to show y'all this real quick. Um, hold on. So, first of all, if y'all see me like looking forward, it's because right in front of me is my PC and I'm also looking at the market off of there. So, um, that's why, it's like I'm kind of just here, here. When I'm looking here, I'm looking at my MacBook. When I'm looking here, this is where the camera is, and there's my PC. So, um, okay. But yeah, so right now we're really waiting for it. It is 9:34 a.m. New York session. Um, right now we got the first 15-minute open candle. Right now my bias is bearish, and I say that because I forgot I can't see this PC. I say that because right here on a 1 hour time frame, um, so we're on an uptrend right here. Okay, we created a lower high yesterday, right? Lower high, boom, still a higher low though. But then we created relatively equal highs, pretty much the same high, just maybe one tick higher. But we swept under these lows from that high. So with that being said, I was like, okay, that's something to watch for. Trend might be changing up. Then we created another lower high right here. And so that right there is what was like, okay, you know what? There we go. I can see right here that the trend is changing. Um, let me see. If we look at the 15-minute candle on ES, we see that price tried to push above these highs, but wasn't able to. Um, It wasn't able to. It came right back down. It's still only about 6 minutes into this first opening candle, so anything can happen. Anything can happen. So it's it's still an open game. But get this shit get off my screen. But we're down to this 15-minute candle for NQ. Okay, so yeah, but on NQ we swept over these highs. So we have SMT right here. Guys, highs got swept on NQ, but not on yes. Um, so you know, it's just something good to see. Same thing, Dow Jones. If I open that fucking top tab one more time, I'm gonna get mad. But yeah, same thing, downtrend. It's a lot more of a clear downtrend on Dow Jones, but there's this big unfilled fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame right here. So let me actually turn audio down a little bit because I feel like I might be talking a little loud. But yeah, we have a big unfilled fair value gap right here on the 1 hour time frame on Dow Jones. So I want to see how price ends up reacting off of this level right here. Um, no, looking, didn't see any major unfilled fair value gaps until about right here. Mark this to about that level right there. Nasdaq at about right here on ES. So we drove down to 15 minutes again. Boom. I'm gonna get back. Bro. Alright. Just trying to get my chart set up so I can, kind of want to see how this how we react off of this fair value gap on Dow Jones right now. Because it is a lot clearer of a downtrend. It's an established downtrend. I would like to say, it's not really no ifs, ands, and buts about it. I can see clearly on the 1 hour time frame that this is a downtrend. So let me just show y'all. Um, no, it's clearly down. You feel me? Very clearly. Same thing on NQ and ES though. It is very clearly, but it's just moving a lot quicker right now. So we're to see how how we react off of this big fair value gap that wasn't filled yet right here. We'll see if price just wants to sweep into this fair value gap or if we're actually gonna push through it. So we're just gonna sit here, we're gonna wait for this candle to close and see where we go from there. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close out markets for right now. We'll come back in about 30, 45 minutes, see if the trend ends up reversing. If it does, I'll hop out in, I'll look into something else. If it doesn't, it actually means it's another no trade day today. A win is a win. Didn't lose any money today, didn't make any money. It's fine. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna close out today. Well, not close out today, but just close out for now. I'm gonna clear all my alerts and then I'll come back later and see anything. Take a trade if we don't. Done. Yeah. See ya. All right, everybody. So this is gonna be the end of today's video. Uh, I ended up just going to work, going to the gym, working out. Just got back home. I'm gonna eat some food up. Then I'll probably just call it a night. Get some classwork done from accounting and philosophy. Let's get that list shit done, and then call it a night from there. Be tuned for the market recap coming later. I'll just show you what I saw in the market, why I didn't end up taking the trade today. Yeah, tell you all my psychology behind it and why I was thinking the way I was thinking. But yeah, so I'll catch y'all next time. See ya.